What records should you keep in order to file your personal tax returns? Now, your personal tax returns will include your incomes from all the sources. If you have got multiple sources of income, all of them should be disclosed in your tax return. For example, you may be self-employed, having profit from your self-employment. You should have records for your business sales and expenses. If you are an employee alongside being self-employed, you should have your P45 and P60s. Also, you may have dividend income or interest from your building society. So you should have your bank statements, letters from the bank confirming your dividends or your interest income, whatever the case may be. You may be a landlord. You may be receiving rental income. So you should have all the records from your state agent, or if you're managing indirectly, all the records of expenses, incomes, insurances, certification. So all the incomes from all the sources, you should have these records before you file your tax returns, so you can enter the correct amount of your income and expenses in your tax returns. And these records will become very handy if HMRC requests all this information from you. For any further information about filing your tax returns or the records you need to keep, you can contact our office.